This is for you, my day. A blessing to show again, beautiful girl. Hey, this is for you, my day.
This is for you.
Never. No raping, no killing, no stealing, no human trafficking, no synthetic stuff, no drugs. Push no needling, okay? Praise the Most High. We're stronger than we know. We're more brilliant than we thought. And we unite. We are the person to chart our future. And we do whatever is best to uplift our country. Hey, this is for you, my friend. A blessing to show up. Let's go. Get back on once again, I want to say thank you very much for supporting Sizzla. And I'm going to be a Kingston for the place. We used to attend you Turbulence family. You know, all the people that we used to go down on Kingston. I know something to a tertiary institution in Jamaica, but they aren't here. All I know one knows that we don't spend money for education, answer me here. Answer me here. Hey, I'm a church of you, I'm all blessed, I'm very cross. I trust that you know, I want to say much respect for the